Okay. Nope. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with auscultation of the anterior apical segments. So remember, with your anatomical landmarks, your surface anatomy for the apical section, you're finding the clavicle, which is appreciated here, and placing your stethoscope in, ears pointed in. You auscultate here. Have the patient breathe in through their mouth, normal breath, through your mouth, and breathe in, and breathe out. And anterior apical segments, and also breathe.